Okay, here's where I have a problem. You have to place it in a spot that is not hidden and not on any removable parts. My Mavic Pro already has a vinyl on its main body. And good day everyone, welcome back to the channel that gives you content on the tools, tips and tricks of filmmaking and all-round video creation. Rahim here, let's go. So for today's topic, let's get a drone registered. So here's what it says about the unmanned aircraft registration over at the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore website. Any unmanned aircraft, also known as UA, with a total weight of above 250 grams must be registered before it can be operated in Singapore. Some examples of UA include radio-controlled aircraft, drones and remote-controlled kites. There's a two-step process in the drone registration, okay? First step is that you will need to buy the label, which you can get from either online or you can get from SingPost. So next you can go apply your drone online through the UA portal. So I went with this option. So I went with this option. I went to get a label over at SingPost. Label is going to cost you around $15 each. You'll need your ID and you can get labels for up to 5 of your drones. Any more you'll have to write up to CAAS. Okay, here's where I have a problem. You have to place it in a spot that is not hidden and not on any removable parts. Problem is, my Mavic Pro already has a vinyl on its main body. Let's solve that. Okay, that's obviously not gonna work. Okay, so now once that is done, take photos of its placement and now we can get it registered. Okay, here's what you'll need to do. Go to CAAS website, go down to unmanned aircraft under UA registration. That's where you will get all the info you'll need. Just a reminder that you'll need to be at least 16 years old for this registration. So for those below the age of 16, do get a parent or legal guardian to do it for you. So now that the label is on my drone, I can go ahead and register at the UA portal where I'll be needing my SingPass. I'll be logging in through SingPass and have your handphone nearby so that you can receive your one-time password. Okay, you'll need to answer a few questions. Under the UA details, fill in as much details as you can depending on what's your model. You'll have to link up your flight controller number also. Not kinda safe to have a powered up drone on the table. So for me, it's gonna be the Mavic Pro. Then you'll need the registration ID which is on the label and the label backing itself. Following that, you then declare. After you have input the details of the drone, this is where you will be prompted to upload a photo of the drone, a full picture of the drone together with the sticker. Taking a while to process. I think I'm just gonna wrap this up. So it's kinda a simple registration process where they have given you all the instructions that you need, but the thing here is that you will want to think of a location on the drone which you want to stick the label itself. For the case of a DJI, you'll need to link up your drone, remote and also handphone because you'll need to see the flight controller number which is within your interface. Another thing is that these labels are not free. In case you're selling off your drone, you'll need to deregister it and then you can't reuse the labels. You'll have to destroy it. So that's kind of the bad part about it. But it's okay because now my drone is registered. I can safely fly my Mavic Pro without any problems with the law. Alright, that's all I have. I hope you have learned something today that will bring you one step closer to creating better content for you and your viewers. Subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell for prompts when a video is released every Wednesday. Thank you very nice and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.